Hi everyone, I'm Alicia, and today I'm here with Guy from Parcel BI. Guy, how are you doing today?
Good, Alicia, how are you?
Good, thank you. So in this video, you're going to be telling me a little bit about your month-to-month contract. There's no risk involved at all, so what can you tell me about that?
So we give our clients or prospects the opportunity to see their data within the tool to determine the value before they have to sign a contract.
Okay.
And then if they see that they want to move forward, our contract is simply month to month, and they can cancel at any time. So it's a SaaS, a software as a service solution, and there's really no long-term commitment.
Okay, so I can kind of try it before I buy it then.
And then quit at any time.
Yeah.
So there's no risk.
Awesome, wonderful. So then tell me, how hard is it to get started with the software?
It's very easy. We just need the logins that you would use to download your invoices from your carriers.
Okay.
And that's it. Then we'll go ahead and gather the data for you. And when it's ready, in a day or so, we're ready to sit down and present it to you. And then you can determine the value right then.
Okay. So are you really there to help me if I have problems or if there's something I don't understand? Can I come to Parcel BI? Can I come to you guys and have you help walk me through that process?
So as part of the subscription, support is included, as well as training. And then we offer additional services, such as advisory services. So not just how to use the software, but really how should I be managing my parcel house? How should I be negotiating my contract? We offer add-on services to help you if you need it.
Wonderful. Well, if that sounds like something that you would be interested in something that could help you, you can contact Parcel BI. You can call them at the number on the screen, or you can visit them online at parcelbi.com.